Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to download VN Editor on Windows PC. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Google Chrome profile. Once website is now open, simply click on the search bar and type download VN Editor for PC. Then click on enter. After that, you will see Vlog Now VN Editor, simple and powerful video editor. Vlog Now. The VN Editor full form is Vlog Now. Basically, the main idea of publicity is vlog now is VN to create and edit vlogs. So simply click on it. After that, a quick and pro video editor. Simply scroll down and click on Windows for PC. This is the official website of VN Editor. The simple process of download VN Editor for Windows. First, download and install BlueStacks, install VN Video Editor, import, export footages, VN guidance, contact us. So simply click on the new tab and type download BlueStacks for Windows, and then you will see word number one video emulator. And now, so once you open the BlueStack website, then click on the search bar and type VN editor and simple click on the enter button, and then the first result is VN Video Editor. Simply click on it and then click on run VN Video Editor and Maker for PC, and there you have it. You have successfully downloaded VN Video Editor. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.